Best-selling 12-36x50 spotting scope for birdwatching. Sturdy frame and high-quality rubber wrap for non-slip grip. Excellent sealing to prevent dust from entering the glass. Optical glass with superior BAK4 prism and fully multi-coated all-glass lens which guarantees superior light transmission and brightness for optimal crystal clear viewing even for law enforcement applications. HD spotting scope range zoom, focusing wheels allow for smooth accurate focusing. With tripod and phone holder, perfect for target shooting, bird watching, wildlife viewing, hunting, archery, spotting moon, hiking, and other outdoor activities.